Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to control phone using voice commands in Samsung A16. If you are using Samsung A16 and you want to control your phone using voice commands, let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for accessibility. Here's that, just tap on it, and here select interaction and dexterity. Then select voice access, and here you must have to enable it. Just tap on it and it will be enabled. Now select allow from here, and here you must have to make a setup of your voice access. You must have to select agree, then agree from here, then select allow to send notifications, and here select start listening button. If you want to add a buttons, you can easily add, but if you won't want to add it, you can easily use it from here. I'm going to add, just enable it, and you can see I have a button of voice access. Not tap on done, and here just scroll down and select listen for commands whenever my screen's on. Tap on it, then tap on continue, then select while using the app to allow record audio, then select continue, and then select finish from here, then select allow. After that, just go back, and here whenever you want to start your phone to use your voice command, just tap on it, and you can see voice access has been on. Here you must have to say which you want to do, and I'm going to say open YouTube. Here you can see it has opened YouTube. Now you can easily say swipe up, swipe down, or go to home screen. Go to home screen. So that's how you can easily use your phone using your voice commands in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.